Hello, my name is Angela. Today's topic is the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission proposes new power cord criteria. The Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, has proposed new AC power extension cords identification marking requirements. These new rules would require indoor and outdoor extension cords to be marked in an easily readable format, indicating they are in compliance with the requirements of 16 CFR Part 1120, which contains a listing of products identified as presenting a substantial product safety hazard that must be marked. These new requirements will apply to extension cord products classified under ICS codes 13.120 and 29.120. These rules are intended to protect U.S. consumers and to prevent deceptive practices. While a date for implementing these requirements has not been set, comments and feedbacks on this proposal can be sent until April 20th, 2015 to the National Center for Standards and Certification Information, which is under the authority of the National Institute of Standards and Technology. The Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, is tasked with protecting consumers in the United States from unnecessary risks from consumer products that could cause harm, injury, or death due to fire, electrical shock, chemical hazards, or mechanical dangers. More information on the CPSC, product recalls, regulations, laws, and standards can be obtained from the URL displayed on the screen. Please contact us if you need more information on the CPSC criteria for power cords or to discuss the services and information available from this important U.S. agency. At SIEMIC, we are your global regulatory specialists, so always feel free to contact us at info@siemic.com or 408-526-1188 with any questions or requests for compliance services for your current projects, so we can provide you with the best experience possible.